How many Ramadans have come and gone without real change? How many nights did we let slip through our fingers, thinking there's always next time? This could be the Ramadan that changes your entire life, or just another Ramadan wasted. But what if this was your last chance? No matter how far you've gone, no matter how lost you feel, Allah's mercy is greater than all of your sins. He is waiting for you to return. Every second of this month is a gift, but only if you use it. Pray every salah on time. Read at least one para of the Quran daily. Ask Allah for forgiveness every single night. Give charity, even if it's just 1 rupee. Don't wait for Laylatul Qadr to start. Start now. Don't waste this gift before it's gone.